Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities (PWDs) Manipur Waikhom Birahari pushed for unique disability ID (UDID) card to all persons with disabilities in order to accurately identify and provide targeted government schemes for them. He was speaking at the 4th Foundation Day of Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation and Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities (CRCS). Imphal, an International Day of PWDs. The event was held at SAI NERC, Imphal, and attended by Social Welfare Department's Joint Director Kaisham Jiteshwar, RCI NEZCC former Chairperson Laishram Tokendra Riki, CRC SRE Imphal Director and Koibi, and other notable personalities. Speaking on the occasion, W. Birahari said that in the reported census data of over 1 lakh persons with disabilities, only a mere 16,000 have registered for UDID, which shows a stark contrast with the real numbers. He reiterated that UDID allows for equitable distribution of schemes targeted for them. Highlighting the institutions equipped to provide for the certificate, he said that Chief Medical Officer of every district's RIMS, JENIMS and Social Welfare Department are licensed to perform it and urged people with disabilities to come forward and register themselves. During the event, aids and appliances were also distributed to senior citizens and persons with disabilities.
다복장을 수급하신 이는 이 나이터를 수급할 것을 주장하십니다. 아니면 거기 벌써 신고 구독자 시정보다 비슷한 그 이때는 시정 이제 상계 시정 수요야 돼. 아무리 기본하다 그 있을 때 검사하고 하고 거기 나이터 버스들이 저기 앱 16 protect